so this is case number 10. Case number 10 is the second case that will go in the adventurers classroom alongside case number 1. There's quite a bit that's packed in here, but if you follow the step-by-step instructions, then it will all fit nice and neat, but it's important that you follow those closely. One of the things that's important to note is that these chairs have to be faced in a certain direction or else it's hard to fit them all in here. And then also these bins, you want to make sure that, especially starting at the bottom, they're pulled far forward so that way they don't hit the TV ledge on the other side of the bin. So here's the step-by-step instructions for this case. All right, so for this case, the first thing you're gonna do is stack the chairs in the bottom left of the case. Now the order here matters, not necessarily the color, but the first 7 chairs need to go in with the wide part of the chair against the front of the case. The next 9 chairs go in with the wide part on the left wall of the case. Next, you're gonna place the puppet stage against the back wall on the right side. Then the 2 sets of carpets go next to the chairs. Next, place seat cushions in the netted bag behind the carpets. Then bin 10.1 is gonna go in horizontally on the right side of the case. Make sure the bin is pushed close to the front so that the next boxes won't hit the TV ledge. Then bins 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, and 10.5 are all stacked on top of 10.1. 10.6 is placed in the top center with the first aid logo facing out. This is really important. Just in case you need to grab the first aid kit quickly, you want to know exactly where it is. 10.7 is placed on the top as well. 10.8 is placed on top of the stools. Bin 10.9 is wedged to the right of 10.8. The cords are wedged on top of bin 10.8. The emergency rope and the hooks for kids' coats are placed on top of 10.8. Then the green carpet slides in front of the stools. Then the maps in the blue container are placed in the very front. And lastly, you'll place the off-white carpet gripper at the top of the case on top of bin 10.9. All right, so that's case number 10. And again, the biggest things are to remember that these chairs need to be faced the direction that the pictures that were on the screen show, and then make sure that these bins are pulled forward. So hopefully that's helpful.